Another week, another beach vacation here in Melbourne during winter. It never ends, guys. It never ends. So coronavirus has come and gone, and now they're talking about second wave. Well, I'm glad that we're allowed to go to the beach. That's what matters to us. The beach and our garden and the beach again. What more can you ask for? Oh yeah, and an empty beach. Don't forget the empty beach. Yeah, so just a quick video today, guys. And hope you're enjoying your midwinter or midsummer, wherever you happen to be in the world, and keeping safe. And also getting your vitamin D and vitamin C and all the good stuff. Just a short one today. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again soon. Bye!